Are you tired of constantly receiving time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat? Does it bother you when your phone keeps buzzing and interrupting your focus? If the answer is yes, you're not alone. Many Snapchat users share the same sentiment. However, we have good news for you. In this tutorial, we will show you how to turn off time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat so that you can have a peaceful moment without interruptions. The first step is to open the settings on your phone, and then scroll down until you find Snapchat. Once you've found it, tap on it. Now click on Notifications here. As you can see, time-sensitive notifications are enabled for Snapchat. So time-sensitive notifications are always delivered immediately and remain on the lock screen for an hour, even when you are in focus mode or do not disturb mode. So if you don't want to be annoyed by time-sensitive notifications, simply toggle the switch off. And now, you've successfully turned off time-sensitive notifications on Snapchat. We hope this tutorial has been helpful to you and will assist you in having a better experience using the Snapchat application without interruptions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Enjoy your moments on Snapchat without unnecessary disruptions.